fucking trauma. This is what's doing all the hard work. Now where do I go? Now I'm losing my mind. Now I'm losing everything that we called our fucking bond. Now you're fucking dead now, and I'm battling with depression, but I just let it go past. I roll me up a joint fat, smoking that shit. Yeah, I'm really fucking high. Yeah, I'm in the fucking clouds with you. You're causing all these sunsets, you're causing all these regrets. I just wish I was with you. Wish I was with him. Wish I was with my best friend every night, because that shit used to be so fun. Yeah, we used to smoke, the light used to be so bright. Right now the light's so fucking dim and dark, cause you're not here on the planet Earth. My life's so fucking dark, cause you're not here to cause that spark. Now we're just here and we're living in the dark. Wish you would've worn a seatbelt. I'm not mad, I'm not judging, I'm just saying, if you were still here, we would still be the funnies. Now you're just wrapped up in a casket, and I can't do nothing about it. If I was there, I would've tried my best to save you.
Ray on the track.
Good night, Rylan.